Dr. John Guerrero is the last man standing of sorts, but he knows the doors could close on him any day now. It was almost 2 weeks ago that providers at several healthcare clinics in the Berwick area were escorted out of their offices and told they were out of a job. Nearly 5,000 patients were left without care.
I was shocked that, I knew something was going to happen, but I wasn't sure what was going to go on.
That led to a lot of panicked phone calls to the only remaining clinic in operation under owner Priyam Sharma. Dr. Guerrero is a vascular surgeon. His office is under the umbrella of Berwick Hospital Center, which is still open for now.
I have a patient today that came in. She was crying. She's like, please, are you going to still be here? I want you to take care of me. You've taken care of my legs.
On top of his regular job, Dr. Guerrero and his staff are now also responding to the needs of the displaced patients in the area. Their providers, now unemployed and immediately locked out of the electronic record system. So he's filling prescriptions, giving out lab results, and ordering follow-up tests for patients who have no one else to turn to. Meanwhile, he's preparing to get shut down himself. The Department of Health confirms to Newswatch 16 the hospital owner has submitted plans to close its acute care facility and turn it into a psychiatric hospital.
I want to stay here, and that's what we're going to work hard to try to do that. Myself, my nurse practitioner Mike, we're going to open up a private practice here in the building here. Verona Roberts is going to be joining us. We've already started the credentialing process. We should be able to be open by November 1st.
The clinics and the hospital are both owned by Priyam Sharma, but under separate companies. The clinic company filed for bankruptcy protection just a few days before the abrupt closures. It's required by law for the court to appoint a third-party investigator to monitor the quality of patient care after a bankruptcy filing. That investigator has filed her first report in court, and it doesn't paint a pretty picture. The investigator says she's received numerous calls from concerned patients herself. She lists a few examples in her report, including a patient who had a mastectomy scheduled for this month, but now her doctor doesn't have a job. Another is on life-sustaining medications and has seizures that require treatment. She can't get into another clinic until October. We did reach out again to Sharma and her attorney, but we haven't heard back. Elizabeth Worthington, Newswatch 16, Columbia County.